What is big cartel? Big cartel, what we do? Big cartel makes it easy to sell your work online. We are providing all the tools you need to get up and running, including your own unique storefront where you can showcase good art, teas, jewelry, prints, music, zines, poetry, candles, shop, toilet, towels, you name it. It's easy. Really easy, and your own products set up your checkout with PayPal and Stripe for accepting payment, and give your shop the look and feel of your own brand, all without needing to do anything super technique or time consuming. There's even an app you can use to manage your shop and on the go, and or sell to your fans and events. We do not charge any listening fees, so you have keep more of the money you earn. Process fees, steps and PayPal still apply. Our main thing we make getting your business up and running online as painless as possible. So you can get back to creative work you care about. If you are new to this and unsure of what to do next, we suggest signing up to get a feel for how it all work, and see if you we are good at outfit for you. All paid plans have access to awesome fixtures features, and if it does not work out for any reason, no worries, just contact us and we will refund your first payment. We are here to help. We can always reach out to our sports support if any have question. Ready to scroll down. Mm. To create a big castle store, we just need a few things: email address. This is an email, so we just send you a notification about your new shop, and you will deliver the message sent through your contact from double check to make sure that you have entered it. Connect to password. Set a secure password from your shop, and not like password or 123. Forget your password, no worries, you can send password reset to the email address you have on for a shop name. This you enter the shop name of your account and shop URL. In this the website address you like to your for shop, and automatically suggest one based on your shop name. Thank you.